my brother's phone back. And then the guy said, I'm playing around. And I didn't believe her. And then I said, oh wait, never mind. I thought somebody took your phone. Oh my god. Hi. Get me wrong there. I'm a Connor. Oh no. What number should I
Longest number. There's no numbers with any numbers.
Another one I told.